Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Have you ever been watching your favorite show when suddenly your JVC Smart TV restarts again and again? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many JVC TV owners face this annoying issue. But the good news is, today I'll show you step by step how to fix a JVC Smart TV that keeps restarting. By the end of this video, your TV will be back to normal. So let's begin. Step 1. Perform a power cycle first. We'll start with the simplest fix, a power cycle. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the wall socket, and wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. This allows the TV to fully reset its internal circuits. After waiting, plug it back in and turn it on. In many cases, this simple step resolves restarting issues caused by temporary glitches or power surges. Step 2. Check the power source. Sometimes the issue is not the TV itself, but the power supply. Make sure your TV is connected directly to a stable power outlet, not an extension cord or power strip that may cause voltage fluctuations. If possible, test your TV in a different outlet. A weak or fluctuating power source can cause your JVC Smart TV to reboot randomly. Step 3. Update your TV software. Outdated software is one of the most common reasons for restarting loops. Go to your TV's settings, system, software update, and check if a new update is available. Install it if there is. Firmware updates fix bugs and improve system stability, so keeping your TV updated can often solve restarting problems. Step 4. Remove external devices. Sometimes connected devices like USB drives, HDMI sticks, or gaming consoles can cause conflicts that force the TV to restart. Disconnect all external devices and restart the TV. If the issue is gone, reconnect devices one by one to identify the culprit. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If the issue continues, a factory reset may be required. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset, and select Factory Data Reset. This will erase all apps, accounts, and settings, so back up anything important first. A factory reset wipes out corrupted data that may be causing the restart loop. Step 6. Contact JVC support or a technician. If none of these fixes work, the problem may be hardware-related, like a faulty power board or internal component. At this stage, it's best to contact JVC customer support or a professional technician. And that's it. By following these steps, you can stop your JVC Smart TV from constantly restarting. Start with the quick fixes like power cycling and checking the power source, and move up to software updates and factory resets if needed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more TV troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.